Greetings! Today we craft the Paloma, a cocktail of refreshing elegance and historical depth. To begin, ensure you have your ingredients at hand. The heart of this drink lies in the vibrant grapefruit, perfectly balanced with agave and lime. We start with the foundation, 50 milliliters of premium tequila blanco. Pour with precision to maintain the integrity of the spirit. Next, add 15 milliliters of fresh lime juice for that essential zest, followed by 10 milliliters of agave syrup for a gentle sweetness. A simple pinch of salt is added now. It's a small detail, but it elevates the citrus notes to a new level. Now, we introduce 60 milliliters of grapefruit soda. Watch as the effervescence brings the cocktail to life. Give it a light stir. We want to combine the flavors without bruising the delicate carbonation of the soda. Finally, garnish with a grapefruit wedge. Express the oils over the rim first to greet the senses. The Paloma, sophisticated, refreshing and masterfully balanced. I do hope you enjoy it. Cheers!